So here's how to create membership course on Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels gives you everything you need to market, sell, and deliver your products and services online without having to hire or rely on a tech team. And if you want to start using Clickfunnels, click on my link down in the description. And as you can see, we're now in the official Clickfunnels website. From here, if you scroll down, you will get to see a lot of information on the website. From here, go ahead and click on Pricing from the top bar. And once you're on the pricing page, you will get to see two options that you can choose from. First one is Startup, and then we have Pro. Here, you can compare the two packages based on your required brand workspaces and team members. And all of the features for both the plans are the same. So to get started, click on my link in the description and log in to your Clickfunnels account. Then, you will reach the Clickfunnels dashboard. So once you're in your Clickfunnels dashboard, go over to the left panel and click on Courses from the options. So once you click on Courses, you will be redirected to this page, and this is where you will be able to see all of your courses. You can also see the details about your course. And on the top, you have All, Published, Draft, and Customer Center. And if you go over to the right side, you have the options to edit. Now click on Create Course on the top right. After that, you need to select your course type. Here you have Simple Course, Drip Course, and Custom Course. So I will select Simple Course and click on Next Step. So on the next step, you need to put in the title of your course. After that, put in a description for the course. Make sure to be as detailed as possible. For this tutorial, I will write something like Membership Course. After that, on the course image section, click on Select Image. So once you click on Select Image, it will take a few moments to load up. And then, you'll be able to see this section where there will be a lot of templates to choose from. So once it loads up, you will get to see all the templates that are available. Scroll through and select the one that you like. And I will go ahead and select this image that I previously uploaded. After that, you will see the option to put in your course path URL. And as you can see, it's already here. Then click on Next Step. Then, just wait for it to load up. And as you can see, it says Creating Your Course. Now, it's being processed. So, you have to be patient and wait for it to get done. Sometimes it can take quite a bit of time. So if you look at the text on the bottom, it says you can close this window anytime and we will send you a notification when we're done. So if you want, you can close this window as well, and you will get a notification once the processing is complete. And meanwhile, you can go ahead and finish up your other processes. So as you can see, it's now complete. On the next page, you can select free or paid course. So choose the one according to your preference. I will go ahead and select paid course. Now on the product axis, you can add product or create product. Then you can get to see the product descriptions on the bottom. So click on Go to Course. And as you can see, we're now in the course page. And here is our newly created page. On this section, you will get to see a lot of options. Let's go ahead and click on the settings icon on the right here. After that, you will get this pop-up. Here, you can put in additional details for your course. Now click on Create Theme. So as you can see, we're on the theme gallery. Here, you can see categories on the left. And also, you can get to see all the available templates right here. So just choose the one that you like and click on Install. After that, click on Proceed if you're sure. Now, just wait for it to load up. The theme that you've selected is being imported onto your account. This process may take a little while as well, so be patient and wait it out. So as you can see, the theme has been loaded up. Now, if you look over to the right side, you will get to see the newly selected theme on the theme section right here. So here, you can click on Change Theme if you want to change it again. If you scroll down further, you will get to see your course image and the option to change or remove it. And further down, there are a lot of options like Show to Non-Members. You can enable it or you can disable it. Then you can enable or disable any of these options according to your preferences. So go through them and set them up how you like. Now click on Configure on the Advanced Settings. Here, you can set the style from the options. From here, I will select my course. After that, you can select Course Home Templates. On this page, you will get to see some available templates to choose from. So go through the options and select the one that you like. For this tutorial, I will be going with the first one and then click Submit. Now, on the right side, you can see that the home template has been added. Now click Override Template Page on Module Lessons Templates. And the same way, you need to select a template from the options available. So go through the options and select one that you like and click on Submit. Then onto the lesson page templates. And with the same process, go through the available templates and choose one, then click on Submit. And as you can see, all of these are being added right here. Now, on this section, you can share this course structure. So here, read through the details. And as you can see, there's an option to generate a course share link. Then, onto the unauthorized redirect option. Here, you can put in a link. After that, click on Update Course. Now we're back in the course section. Here, click on Customize. After that, you will be taken to another page. Before that, you will get to see this loading screen. So, just wait for it to load up and be a little patient. So once you're in this section, you can see your course template right here. And you can see all the elements added to your template. So here, you can select the text and then customize it according to your preference. So I will select the entire text and type in my own. This way, you can customize any text. Now, if we scroll down, we can get to see the other elements on the template. So here, you can make all the necessary changes according to your course needs and your preferences. And here on the bottom, you can see Add Section. If you click on it, you can add new sections. So after clicking it, we will select Add Column. Now, on the right-hand side, you can get to see a lot of elements that you can choose from. So I chose Headline as an example. And as you can see, it gets added instantly. Now, you can select the text and replace it with whatever you want. So this way, make all the necessary changes and adjustments that you need to make. So I will type in something like thank you and subscribe. So once you're done customizing and making all the necessary changes, just scroll up to the top. And when you're satisfied with the membership course page, just go ahead and click on Save on the top right corner. Now, just wait a while for it to get saved. And once it's done saving, you will get to see this notification on the bottom right corner. Now, click on the back arrow on the top left corner, and this will redirect you to the main course page. And this is where you'll be able to see your finished membership course. You can also use the options on this page to customize or make any changes to your membership course. And that is exactly how to create membership course on Clickfunnels.